Today is the last day, and the last center, which is the Sahasrara, is the integration. Integration of your being, a physical, mental, emotional being. It takes place. Is integration of all the deities, of all the prophets, all the great works that they have done. Integration of all the scriptures. Everything takes place when this Sahasrara is opened up, when you become the spirit. This is a much more difficult job, I know, because if you don't have to transform people, it is very easy to talk about it and get away. But I have to transform. Not only transform, but you have to become. You cannot become a Sahajogi by paying me, by saying things, by arguing, by showing out. You can only become Sahajogi by growing within yourself. Face up to it. See for yourself. I am here to help you in every way possible. Whatever is possible, we'll try to do it. But you all should also understand your responsibility. It's not a joke now. It's no more a joke. It's not like Sunday morning you get up and go to church, or Monday morning you go somewhere else in the temple, and Tuesday morning you go to Siddhi Vinayaka, and another day you go to a mosque. It is not like that. It's a very serious thing which we must understand. We are at the brink of destruction. Be careful about it. We must do things so that the blessings of God comes upon us and that we are saved. It's a very serious thing, and the responsibility is much more on all the people who are getting realization. So do not treat it lightly. You all, I hope, will take it seriously. Thank God there is a nice seminar we are having after this for 3 days. You can come down there. They have charged you very little. We don't have to make any profit out of you. The only profit I can make is that you get your profits. That's all. So please take it up seriously. Work it out seriously. And I tell you, out of you will come out those people who will build the foundations of that construction which is going to come. Please don't waste your time in useless things. Get to it. Any one of you can do it. I bless you with my whole heart, and know that I love you very much. If you have any problems, you can write to me. But don't write to me about your family problems and this and that. It's a headache to me. There is no need to write. Of course, I am a mother. If you have a problem, you can write. But some people write 10 pages saying my wife is fighting with me. It's a bit too much. You should write to me about the problems which concern the whole country, concern the whole world.